any supplement regimen, you should always check with your doctor first.
What's up, everybody? Right now we're about to talk about Scivation Xtend. So we'll be talking about what is it, the breakdown, mixability and taste, and then what should you expect by taking it and how to take it. So what is it? Well, it's a branched chain amino acid supplement that also has some other things like electrolytes that's going to help with the endurance of your workout. Speaking of all that stuff, let's go ahead and dive right into the breakdown. Alright, so per scoop of Scivation Xtend, you're looking at 0 fat, 0 carbs. Can't say it's 0 calories. There are calories associated with amino acids, but we're not going to get into that right now. Electrolyte blends. You have your potassium and your sodiums. This kind of just help you make sure you have your electrolytes, your replenishment during your workout, which is why it's an intra-workout catalyst. Now for the good stuff. So you have 3.5 grams of leucine per scoop. You have 2.5 grams of glutamine per scoop. And then you have 1.75 grams of isoleucine and valine per scoop, and 1 gram of citrulline malate per scoop. Now, the one I'm really interested in is, of course, leucine. I always mention that because it's been shown to increase muscle protein synthesis the most out of all of them. And it has a hefty dose in here. Total branched chain amino acids per scoop is 7 grams. I'll get into how you should dose that a little later. Citrulline malate, it helps with energy production. I don't really dive too much into the science behind it, but it's one of the kind of 3, I guess you could say, elements that are involved in urea cycle. It helps with removing waste through nitric oxide production because it does increase L-arginine in the body. It helps all around with endurance factors. So seeing that in here is great for a branched chain amino acid supplement. So all that being said, based on the breakdown, I would say 9.5 out of 10. I'm a little biased towards Scivation. I've been using it for years and I love it as a product. Alright, so mixability, as much as I'm a fan of Scivation, it could be a little bit better, a little bit, not much. 8.5 out of 10 for mixability. And now this is taste for the Great Escape. I drink it every day. I know what it tastes like. I'm just doing this, for formality's sake. It's awesome. You're not going to find a better tasting amino acid supplement out there. Granted, I haven't tried them all yet, but like I said, I'm biased. So I'm going to give it a 9.5 out of 10 for taste. Really like it all around, so 9.5 out of 10. Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to take it. What should you expect by taking it? Because it does say build muscle, burn fat, and recover faster. It also has a dosing chart. It says up to 200 pounds for men, 2 to 3 scoops a day. Over 200 pounds, 3 to 4 scoops a day. For women, up to 125, 1 to 2 scoops per day. And over 125 pounds, 1 to 3 scoops a day. To make it even simpler than all of that, there's 7 grams per scoop, right? Well, most of the studies out there show 10 to 15 grams intra-workout is ideal. So stick with that, 10 to 15 grams. What is that? 2 to 3 scoops anyway. Pretty much what they said without, looking at a chart. So 2 to 3 scoops per day, preferably during your workout, while you're working out. That's what an intra-workout supplement means. During your workout, you sip on it. If I haven't ate anything for a couple hours before I work out, I'll actually have 1 full scoop of this as I'm driving to the gym. I'll even throw it sometimes with my pre-workout supplement in there. And then when I get to the gym, I have a bottle pre-made of about 2 to 3 scoops in there. And that's the only time I touch it. And the only other time I'll recommend using this is when you're dieting, especially when you get down to a really low caloric intake. I'll have like 1 scoop in between meals. It might just be a placebo, maybe something that I just like, but I know the recommendation has been out there for a while. And this helps just to keep the body as much in an anabolic environment as possible. So what should you expect by taking it? Well, bottom line is, if you're doing everything else right, this will help you make sure you have an adequate supply of branched chain amino acids in your body if you're not already getting it through your diet. So it's going to create more of an anabolic environment. It's going to increase your lean muscle mass because it's going to increase your muscle protein synthesis. Is it a night and day thing? No, but it definitely does help, and we could all use those extra little percents here and there if we were already doing everything else right. So that's my honest review about Scivation Xtend. So you could find Scivation Xtend on sameDaySupplements.com, retailing for $24.99, giving you 30 servings, or $59.99, giving you 90 servings. It comes in, and I need a list for this, lemon lime, blue raspberry, green apple, orange dream, grape escape, watermelon, strawberry kiwi, and mango. And that brings the overall score to 9.1 out of 10. And if you like this video, if you like Scivation, then like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, go find us on Facebook, Instagram, friend us, follow us. If you have any questions or any supplement you want me to review, upload it, hashtag samedaysubs. And I'm here for any and all questions. Email me, joeb@sameDaySupplements.com. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, stay aesthetic.